안녕하세요. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pronunciation of final consonant, batchim. In our previous videos, we have learned about the final consonants. These final consonants are being grouped respectively and are pronounced by its representative sounds. To begin, let us learn the final consonant, 미음. The pronunciation of consonant is different when it is an initial consonant as m and when it is a final consonant as Close your mouth when you pronounce it. Say Look at this syllable. It has the final consonant 미음. Therefore, it is pronounced as Together, 감. Next, let us learn the final consonant, 비읍. The pronunciation of consonant is different when it is an initial consonant as b and when it is a final consonant as 읍. Close your mouth when you pronounce it. Say 읍. Look at these syllables. Each syllable has different final consonants, 비읍 and 피읍. But they are all categorized under the final consonant, 비읍, and is pronounced by the representative sound, 읍. 읍. Together, 갑. Let's combine initial consonant, 기역, vowels, a, o, u, and the final consonant, 미음, 감, 감, 검, 굼. Let's combine initial consonant, 기역, vowels, a, o, u, and the final consonant, 비읍, 읍, 갑, 읍, 겁, 읍, 곱, 굽. Let's take a look at words with 미음 final consonant. 김치, 남자, 엄마. Let's take a look at words with 비읍 and 피읍 final consonants. 집, 접시, 무릎. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And please do like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. 감사합니다.